I won't lick, brothers.
No, not look my mouth.
Okay, so I'm going for a breed, boy. Lick, kiss you. Okay, wait, I know Pete. This one going for a breed. Neighbor, for neighbor, I know Pete Ryan. Wait, I kiss that old baba. Wait, boys. That I kiss you.
Yeah,
I kiss my grandfather.
No go far now.
Yeah, I kiss you.
Take.
Everything. Make a lick on. Wait, she no remain anything. No go there. Wait, this one she plenty. I go buy her for a million. Kai wait, today. Mwisa kwelengwe. You know love.
How you be?
You know love. I find. You know love.
I did with you now.
I said, mwisa. You know love.
I did with you now. What's up?
You know love. You brown your face. Before you go love. But you know love. You brown your face.
Did with you?
You best with me.
You don't talk anything.
Mwisa kwelengwe. Hey, wait, this Mwisa kwelengwe. Before if I Mwisa kwelengwe, he go love. He brown for me. I pull you out. Mwisa kwelengwe.
This girl all the.
Hey, Mwisa kwelengwe. Wait, I want to take fixtures. Fake cheese, boy, the cameras. Everybody's name Mwisa kwelengwe. Love. Love very ways. Mwisa kwelengwe. Everybody's. Mwisa kwelengwe. You know that.
Taking the pictures now, right?
I'll do for video. You do. Hey, everybody's me. I be Mwisa kwelengwe.
Yeah. I'm on the fast.
Love. Wait, love. Wait, I do this Mwisa kwelengwe. He prompt for me. I know. Coin for you.
And I will see now later. Later.
Well, I caution. I caution.
Just go, okay?
Now only smile and say go be. I'll lick you. Mwisa kwelengwe. I see you love that. You love. You going to prompt with me. You love with that one. You see how you ogre. You love.
My friend now.
And you going love for me too. Mwisa. Mwisa, you know. Wait for me.
Yeah.
Mwisa kwelengwe. Mwisa. Good afternoon, brothers.
I like this girl. They always do like.
This is my friend. Mwisa see, brothers, this Mwisa kwelengwe. Every time I hold me, I touch me. Every time.
Okay. I know, like as I hold you. You know what? Make I hold you.
Yeah, hold me.
Remember what your mommy told you?
My mommy
told you to follow me anytime inside the house.
My mommy not take make I follow you. My mommy not tell them for you.
She called me yesterday. She said make you follow me.
No problem. I believe.
Yes.
You see that you Mwisa kwelengwe every time you prompt for me. I know what I do.
Don't worry. You're inside. Let me bend your back for 2 times.
Stop it.